Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying iOS and ensuring a current backup, because deletion can remove synced content. Once backed up, free a little space so the system responds quickly. Now close the Photos or Library app to avoid conflicts and open Settings. In Settings, scroll to Photos or the specific app entry. This gives you direct controls for library management. Make sure you stay in Settings rather than the app itself, because system-level removal options appear here and not in all apps. Once in the app settings, turn off iCloud Photos or the app sync toggle. This stops re-downloading and separates device-only files. Next, choose Offload App if you want to keep documents but remove the app, or choose Delete App to remove the app and its local library. Offload preserves data while clearing storage. Tap the chosen option and carefully read the confirmation dialog, because the message explains whether files remain in iCloud or are permanently removed from the device. To finish, open Photos or the app and empty Recently Deleted or the app's trash folder so the library is truly removed from storage. Once that's done, restart your iPhone to clear caches and verify the storage and app list in Settings to confirm removal. If the library reappears or sync behavior is odd, toggle iCloud Sync Off then on, or restore from your backup if you need to revert. This troubleshooting step often resolves lingering sync artifacts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.